Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Hey, I'm here to give you an update from the mortgage world. So I work for Caliber Home Loans, and compared to most companies out there, our company pulled back less and is going to jump forward faster than all the others. So anyways, I am a loan officer in Oregon and Washington. Here's my license information, and let's just get right to it. So lots of loan programs have been the companies have been restricting their qualifying rules. And that's because if a client defaults on their first several payments, that actually costs the originating company a ton of money. Now, the FHA in some of the last legislation said they were going to put some money aside for that, but they didn't actually change the rule that punished the mortgage companies. However, it sounds like that's sort of getting worked out. And Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac announced that, like, hey, now we're not going to smash down on lenders who make a loan if somebody defaults on the first few payments, but they are going to charge a pretty hefty fee. I believe it's going to be 5%. So if a mortgage company writes a loan and somebody can't make one of the first few payments, the Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac isn't going to make the mortgage company buy that entire loan back for like $300,000 or whatever, but they will charge them 5%. So in that example, I guess it would be 15 grand. Doing mortgages is a profitable business, but not 15 grand per deal profitable. So that's a huge incentive to keep the rules strict for most lenders. And it's a huge incentive for me to do my job well. Now, let's just talk for a minute about the market and what's going on. So interest rates are down. They're actually down just slightly in real terms from the lowest point. This bond number isn't exactly real to the interest rate number because it doesn't factor in that new risk, but things are stabilizing. In fact, I got an email from corporate Friday night stating that they pretty much figured out the whole risk scenario while they had been tightening rules down steadily over the last month and a half. They told us, hey, we're going to loosen that back up. We're going to open up things like jumbo loans in the near future, maybe some of the non-conforming loans again in the near future. Rates are going to be going down, and we're going to be able to do loans more quickly, which is just phenomenal. That's something that's going to help a lot of families. So if you are somebody who still has their job and is looking for a quote to see if you could save some money on a refinance or buy a home now, this is the time. It's a good time to get started because I think that the rates are really going to dip a bunch in the next 2 weeks. Don't really know. That's just a prediction. But this is a good time to get things rolling for that. Also, if you are just out of a furlough, good news there. It sounds like the way my company at least is going to treat somebody who was unemployed for a month or whatever because of what's going on outside. We're going to treat it as if it was sort of an involuntary job absence, like maternity leave. And the way maternity leave is basically treated is, if you take somebody's last 12-month average and they had 1 month of maternity leave, we sort of erase whatever money they made in that month off the application and then take the other 11 months. But instead of dividing by 12, we divide it by 11. So we kind of just pretend that month never existed. And we're going to start pretending that never existed, literally, depending on the type of loan, after the first full paycheck, and in some loans on the first day back full-time at the job. Anyways, I know it's a little bit confusing, but if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments section. Smash that like button for me, and have an awesome day. Peace.